Hello everybody, Crimson Red here. I was gonna play Strongest Battlegrounds because someone requested it, but it was lagging. The person who requested that, can you please request something else? Even if you're not the first comment, I'll honor that. Or you just wait until some people are off the Wi-Fi. For now, I'm gonna play Arsenal again because the last video I was on my iPad because I'm better on iPad, but like the mic was trash, so you couldn't hear any. The volume did not work. All you could hear was like game volume. It should work this time, hopefully. But anyway, if you hear any like banging, it's because my cousins are playing beanbag toss. I forget what that game's called. Like,
finish them quickly.
No, cornhole. Yeah, cornhole. And they're playing it in the hallway. And my door's in the hallway, so they're just tossing it. I think I joined this pretty new, so I think I could actually win if I play good. Like, I'm good sometimes, but I don't know. I think I'm pretty bad at phone. Like, I'm good at mobile, but not phone.
Hey, you got him. Excellent.
But I think I can do decent with that. I'm gonna try to figure out, like, PC and Xbox gaming. Because, like, that's more entertaining. It's better footage. More games. And I think I already said something similar, but
Good shot. You got his head.
This volume is low for me, but I think that's just because I'm recording. I hope so. I'm new to this.
Nice headshot.
Speaking of my cousins playing cornhole, would you like other people in the videos? Like, I have the most fun when I'm playing with other people that I know. But, like, I don't know if that's what people want because all the background noise or whatnot.
Hey,
There are so many people in that hole.
excellent.
Wait, was that lag? No, that wasn't even lag. I don't know what just happened there. I gotta turn down from the star. I was hoping that was what they were using. How much damage is this? Oh, that's actually pretty good. 60 damage. But, like, I think it takes long to reload because it showed, like, our animation. That does make you faster, doesn't it? I think I remember that. I used to watch Tankar. I have no idea how to say it. That's the only reason I started playing this game back in the day.
Hey, you got him. Excellent.
My cousin's coming in to grab his phone right now. Hey, you shut up. Don't plug your channel, buddy.
Hey! Jackson!
Shut up.
Minus whatever. 2.4. See ya!
Get up and gas me. Just like you do in the mail. But if you heard that, go ahead and subscribe to him too. But he's a little boy, unlike me. Well, I'm not an adult, but I am a teenager. And despite how my voice sounds, I swear. About to start driving this year, so get a job maybe, afford better supplies. By the way, equipment for videos. I got something for that. I just don't know what to say. It feels awkward. Did I just kill? Okay, I didn't. I was about to say, I hope I didn't kill myself. That would have been embarrassing too. This is gonna be a waste of footage. Whatever, I can just post gameplay. Normally that's only for people that are actually good at the game or actually doing something unique, but hey.
Хорошо, you got him.
I hope those two people with the knife don't get a kill. One's on my team though, so I can't exactly stop them. Hey, I was still playing some of them. Considering I barely play this game, I think that's it. And I'm probably gonna play like 3 or 4 matches. Oh yeah, I got this skin in the last video, I think. It's showing.
They are stupid to think they will win.
It's for like a quest effect, maybe. Oh, whale gun? I suck at sniper only, the snipers only, so I think I'm gonna even be worse at this. Oh, I got that! I saw barely an outline of the red under there. I know I'm gonna get destroyed, so I'm gonna play 4 matches. Last round I think I played 3, but since this one goes by fast and only 14 kills in this one hit, and considering it won't be much footage, considering I'm probably just gonna keep getting killed. Yeah, I think I have auto shoot on, and it actually just helped me that time, but it makes it annoying because if I don't want to shoot, you know, like what if I'm like with other guns, like you want a headshot, and you might waste so much ammo. Oh, I can't get any kills because like the second I see someone, I'm either dead or someone kills me. Oh, was that 2 kills in 1? People are already at 11. I don't see a way I win this, but maybe I can get top 3 if I get 3 more kills before this other guy. How did I get it? It auto shoot sometimes helps, I'm not gonna lie. Someone's at the last level. Was that the last? It was the last time that gave that guy the last kill. He beat me. My commentary might be awkward, but hey, any teenagers, I guess you'd understand. I could just rename the gaming channel Autistic Gaming, you know? Maybe it'll work out.
They are stupid
maybe,
to
like,
think they will win.
Anti-social gaming. I'm trying to press the button and not just use auto shoot. Because every time I do that in like a game with anybody, they're like, oh, that's shooting. I should probably have to turn it off. I'll be going to myself in the match. Trying to go to get maybe wait a minute, why are they at the spawn? Yeah, this is definitely getting spawn for like 5 seconds and you can't really do it. You're running like in that state where it would normally look like it has to reload. Oh my god, there's so many people around. Oh. I'm learning good on automatic. I love automatic difficulty. I was saying, I'm getting sprayed now. What am I auto shooting at? Is this game buggy? It never did that. Unless there's like a hacker on the server and I was shooting at them. Like, I don't know, though. I haven't got killed by him. Anyone that ever makes videos or like watching videos, you say what's probably like what my skill, like what do you think? Because if I'm making money, I'm probably gonna improve that. I can't improve skill besides like playing. Like I can improve my getting me to buy those games like you have it. I'm not even on the leaderboard and someone already knows the
Good shot. You got his head.
What the heck? I'm not gonna do it now, guys. I used to clean my TV. Pretty good standard. Hillsard's probably my favorite enemy match. I played it a little bit in the last one. Shotgun's only. Wait, yeah, standard.
Finish them
And
quickly.
you know what I just remembered while looking at that menu? That I was gonna turn off auto shoot. But again, I'm not doing that. I'll have it if I have a person who like it or if someone else requests it. I like it. Oh, right now I'm doing like the first person to comment or play their game. But like if I get bigger or when I get bigger, I'll do like comment.
Excellent.
I think shorts are more popular right now, so I don't know how much practice a little bit. But hopefully it does well. Second place, third place. Sometimes I like shotgun only. Sometimes I hate it. Sometimes I hate sniper only. Sometimes I like this too. I think I said those two backwards. I'll take them in, alright? Okay, maybe it's just not making that joke even if it's true. Someone's gonna be like, wow, you make fun of me. Oh, that was not even auto shoot. That was for a little bit there. But that walk was just me. Does auto shoot work in this game? Because look. Yeah, sometimes it don't work. Like I was aiming at that guy. Do I have to be close up? It's like the wind of the gun. Sometimes it definitely has to be.
Good shot. You got his head.
I was doing a little good there. I thought I was gonna have a pop-off moment. It would have been nice to have a clip in this. Or not a clip, but like something people could clip and be like, wow, that's so cool. Oh my god, what's this gun level? It's not even bad, it does decent damage. I'm just, I don't know. Oh, double barrel shotgun. Are those my golf tennis balls still? I just got struck down by Zeus himself. I don't know how I feel about shotguns. Sometimes I love them, sometimes I hate them. And that's one of the times I love them. I don't think I'm very good at that. Well, I'm decent at gun games on Fortnite. Well, at some, it depends. Like, on Fortnite, I'm pretty good. But that's what I'm saying. Actually, I can connect it. More so, it's on a bigger screen, and I don't often. That was not auto shoot, by the way. Auto shoot, by the way. That was just me. Like, this is what I mean. Like, sometimes I just spam it for some reason. I look at him and oh yeah, let me just shoot. Again, I'm sorry for the awkward commentary. I'm not very social on that.
Wow, you blew his
So talking
brains
to you
out.
and giving
Nice.
screen. Well, I guess there is people. Yeah. But it feels weird, especially if like someone's listening, like even if one of them does similar stuff. Hey, I'm okay with third place. I just hope maybe I can get second. Oh, I got second place right before it ended. I'm okay with that. Anyway, that's probably going to be the end of this video. Have a good day, afternoon, night, morning, whatever they say. Clemson Red out. Suggestions in the comments of what game I should play next.